Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit the control center on iPhone 16 Plus. To edit the control center, swipe from the right top part of your screen. Here is the new control center. You can swipe through pages of it and you can edit each one of these pages. To do it, just press and hold somewhere on the screen, and now the first thing you can do is to resize tiles like that. You can rearrange them in different places. You can add a control by clicking on add a control, and here you have different ones to choose from. Click on it, then it's added here. I'm gonna resize it like that. You can go to different pages and you can see I'm resizing the music player now. You can also resize the networks, and you can create new pages on the control center. And that's how all of it works. When you're done, click on done, and you can see it's all set. And if you want to remove a control, go back into edit mode and click on minus. Now it's removed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.